Welcome to 45 East 9th Street, apartment 99, located in the Gold Coast of Greenwich Village. I'm Christopher Franklin with Brown Harris Stevens. Apartment 99 is an overly large one-bedroom with 11-foot high ceilings, a sunken living room, wood-burning fireplace, beautifully and elegantly renovated with marble kitchen, marble bath, southern facing with brilliant light and wonderful city views. This truly is a one-of-a-kind home. One of the things that makes this home so special is it's located on the top floor, one flight of stairs below the building's beautifully landscaped rooftop terrace with intimate sitting areas and wonderful panoramic views of the city. This location can't be beat. 45 East 9th Street, apartment 99 is located in the heart of Greenwich Village, perfectly situated between Union Square and Washington Square Park. Please reach out to me or Brian J. Manning. We would love to show you this beautiful home.